What's up guys, the MR2 is just about ready to go. We're fixing to bring it over to the alignment shop right now because it still needs to get in alignment. But last night we knocked some more stuff out. As you can see, we got our exhaust rerouted. Got those tips welded on last night. Actually, Hayden and Wyatt came down and they helped me out. So huge shout out to them. And got that done. So now the exhaust is shooting away from the parachute. Got them nice and even and they look awesome. So that is sweet. We still have to trim our parachute cable. It's a little long right now. We got the handle ran into the car and I got that guy welded to the top of the cage right here. So to throw the chute, I just pull this this way. So in the car, that felt really comfortable. I just have to reach up with my right hand and swing it over and then the chute comes out. So that's ready to go. And then I got the dash all mounted up. So that came out sweet as well. There's just some 10 mils on the side holding that guy on, but it's nice and solid in there. That came out really clean. You guys are also gonna be really excited that I finally got the trim pieces back onto the bumper. That's done. The front one's actually still missing. Still gotta get them on right there. We're actually looking for those because they're somewhere in a box, but the back one's on. The bumper's all mounted and ready to go. And I did finish up the parachute mount. That's all welded and done. Don't know how much of that I showed, but parachute's ready to go once we get that cable cut. And yeah, she's close. So we scheduled an alignment for today. So we're getting ready to go take it over right now. I don't know how often we'll use this, but
ooh, you're fancy.
I've had this Canon laying around forever. We don't use it that often, and I just picked up a new lens for it. This gimbal in case we want to try to get some rollers. I might try it out on the way to the alignment shop. It's pretty nifty. We'll see. Changing it up a little bit.
Some high-tech stuff.
So I stayed up on Amazon.
Late night shopping.
Ordered a lens and a gimbal. We'll see.
Now we gotta learn how to use it. Not like that.
It sounds so good.
Sounds good. Hell yeah.
Woo!
Sounds good too. Started right up, man. It started up fast.
It was just purring.
Quick. Dang. One step closer. Everybody was here to see it, man. That's rad. All you guys, thank you.
Do you guys get a twin turbo MR2 in here?
Never. Never. Especially one this cool.
Yeah.
That I built. Had a race truck. She just 8 miles stuff in like 480.
All right, just got back from the alignment shop in the MR2. She's all good to go. Drove really straight on the way back. Feels nice and planted to the road, which is awesome. I was talking to Eric Hucks from Hucks Racing, and he told me to give it a little bit of toe in on both the rears and front. We went like an 1/8 degree of toe in the rear, and then 1/16 of a degree in on the front. And then we also gave each tire 1 degree of camber. And he said that's like a pretty ideal setup for drag racing on these MR2s because he knows them very well. So that is done and ready to go. I did want to try to do a pool on the way back, but this thing would not warm up because of how cold it is today, and with the radiator being up in the front, it just takes forever for that water to cycle. So we didn't get to feel how fast she is just yet, but it's coming. But the alignment's ready to go. And yeah, now we have to start loading stuff up and just getting ready. What's that for?
I'm gonna get a steering wheel nut on my car.
Finally?
He was gonna send it without it, and I'm thinking, what car do we have here that'll fit? And this car hasn't been seen in a while, so we're gonna go around the corner.
Old Vicky.
Since we can't take VTech Vicky, we'll just take a little piece of her with us.
Yeah.
Oh, poor Vicky. Probably misses Florida.
The warm weather, I don't think it's used to the cold over here, bro.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah, it just
Hey,
took way.
how you lose it already, man?
It's gone.
It's gone, bro.
No. Alright, whoever drives that, I feel bad for him.
It's a demo car, so we can crash it without the steering wheel. It's okay for it to come off here, but your car, that's not.
My car went 9s without one.
For anyone wondering where Vicky's been, she's just been back here kind of rotting away, honestly. It's kind of sad. But
what are we gonna do with
I
this
bet it
thing?
still runs. No, maybe it doesn't.
No, it does. I drove it here, then it shut off. It does not run good though.
Yeah.
At this point, with how long it's been sitting, it probably does not run anymore. But who knows? Let us know if you guys would like to see Vicky again. She's just been sitting here. I was thinking about, I mean, we freaking K swap everything, but they just work so good. I was thinking about throwing a K in there, you know, just quick turbo kit on the K, 400 horse, bring it back to Florida and go smash it into someone.
All the way over there just to
Like weld a big plate on the front of it, make it like make a flip car.
Demo drags in Texas in February, isn't there?
Well, next, yeah. I don't know if it's
The
gonna
next Cleus in cars.
be the next one.
Yeah, we want to get Vicky up and going again though. She was fun, just a fun car to beat on, and she's not beat up that bad considering how bad the demo cars get. This isn't bad. I mean, that fender's pretty trash, but
It still rolls.
like it still goes straight. Like it's just really
I don't know
dinged
about
up.
super straight, but it still goes forward.
Yeah. She definitely has a. Yeah, let's take it to the alignment shop. Take it with us.
Can you align?
You're out 80 degrees. Tires just sideways.
She was pretty safe. That.
Wow. The Grinch finally has a nut. Good to go.
Something just don't
You
feel right.
You feel a little safer?
I actually do.
I think he did it for
Every
the-
single video I was like this.
He did it
Pushing
for the
on it.
fear.
Yeah.
Now you have to push on it, bro.
Yeah, I don't. No, I just.
You need some seats next, bro.
I know these ones rock back pretty good.
Some cookies or something.
Brought the pit bike. Bring it out to Florida.
Gotta go down to Florida and gap some fools.
I'm gonna be bringing Wyatt's pit bike down, and then he's gonna be meeting us out there later.
Yep, you guys are going a little too early for me, so
Yep.
I'll see y'all in like 3 days.
Yeah, we got this build off to do.
Yeah.
Dang, you got that carb sticking way off the side.
Yeah, no more sucking my pants up. Can't afford to lose more races to you because of it.
Heck yeah.
Ready to load her up? Looking good. Yeah, baby. Looks like the taillights are on fire.
Well, you did it.
We did.
It's done. You didn't dyno it though, right?
We didn't dyno it because we got past the curfew.
But
after we
it's-
had to solve some bugs, but
It's running.
it's running and driving. So
It drove?
It's good to
It drove on its own?
go. No, but I know
Oh,
the transformers.
We've got another one right there if it doesn't.
Yeah, and they loaded up another J
We're
series.
loaded up.
They're
We
ready
got
to
extra
go.
Engine, trans. We're picking up a converter on the way, so we're gonna be straight.
Yep, got the Grinch on behind. So Roman's gonna be coming up a couple days after because he has some stuff to take care of. So
If not, we're racing your car.
yeah, so we got Grinch on there too. I just got the MR2 loaded up and we're about ready to go.
Awesome, man.
We got all the
excited.
tools we need. We got the welder. We got
Yeah, we got a
everything,
welder
bro.
and
Yeah,
we
we
brought
got
our
a build
welder.
off to do for
5 of
this.
everything.
Yeah. Yep. We brought the shop.
There's no more tools in the shop.
Boostedboiz are coming to win.
Oh
Yeah, we're getting this one.
My
got
truck's weighed
you.
down a lot. Got a lot of air in the airbags.
Your truck has been through hell.
Look at the back of it, dude. It's like an old Camaro.
I'm still going.
I've had this truck for like 5 months. We've already put like 30,000 miles on it.
Yeah.
Like, it's a trooper though. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's been everywhere.
He can't wait.
Literally
He
everywhere.
can't wait to back it out of the parking lot.
Yeah.
He go, I'm gonna pull back in so I can back it back out again. That's what he does.
And then what time are we leaving in the morning? Like 8?
8? Yeah. Emilio's gonna meet us on the highway somewhere.
Good luck, guys.
Yeah, I'll meet you guys somewhere on the highway.
I told him I was like,
I'm gonna have my
meet us
thumb
on
out.
these 2 highways and jump in somewhere.
It's about 28 to 30.
Yeah.
Right, you
28
stop
to
at
30.
Tom's.
Well,
Yeah,
we'll
probably stop
at
and
McCreary's.
or Tennessee on the way back.
Yeah, McCurry's on the way down. Probably have
Yeah,
dinner and
gotta have dinner with
stretch
your
your
legs.
Oh yeah, in Kansas City.
A couple pit stops.
Yep.
Kansas City, then Nashville for Tom. And then
Because we're picking up some people on the way.
Yeah. So if we can get there to where we have dinner with McCreary and then finish out the night to Tom's and then.
yeah, that's my plan. I try and get to Nashville in one swoop.
Yep.
Because from there
It's like halfway. It's
I
8 hours
guess
from
it's more than
Tom's.
halfway, but-
It's 8 hours from Tom's place.
10 hours.
I might just fly out and then just drive the Grinch back.
Dude. Yeah. That would be sick.
Yeah.
You won't.
4-speed though, so.
So do I need to load up some other tires?
Spring it in.
I don't got room.
Bring a stock tranny.
Stock front wheel drive train.
We've done this.
Yeah.
Just saying. That was fun.
If anybody
Yeah.
has one there, I'm
It's the
down.
last time I drove the hatch anywhere, honestly.
Yeah. We drove to Florida and back.
There's a stock train.
Did we
there,
mention
I'm
we ran
down.
nines? That was a year ago.
Yeah.
1 year ago.
It was
1
exactly
year
a year ago.
Yep.
My first 9 was just over exactly a year ago.
Isn't that wild?
Yeah. Feels like it's
so
been a
much-
while.
I just feel like we blinked and we're here.
Well, there's a lot of shit we've done. Like in between
Yeah, it's
all
been
the time.
crazy, man.
Well,
It's awesome.
You're gonna go down there and run an 8 now, real quick.
Yeah.
Off the trailer.
That'd be cool.
We're definitely rooting on you.
It's gonna
Well,
shake.
if it's gonna happen at sea level.
Yeah.
Like that quick.
I mean, I think I'm just
I think
gonna-
the MR2
pressure too.
MR2
Like, you've never driven the car before. You just put it together.
Full send.
There's like a million
Doesn't
people
bullshit.
in front of you. Just full send it.
Oh, that we're both kind of doing
works,
that, but
yeah.
like, I believe in Kyle's car and driving.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's gonna
That's what I'm
be
saying.
Well, he put the parachute on there for a reason. You know, he knows he's gonna be flying. So.
Yeah.
And he's like, let me add this real quick.
He's just going full bore.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just gonna floor it.
Yeah. I can't wait to.
I really don't care what it does. All I know is I gotta.
Yeah,
I
we've seen you drive
don't.
the Prelude.
I don't
You
even
just-
think I'm gonna
you don't
test
let
hit it
go.
down. I'm just gonna literally just floor it and go.
Send it.
Are you really?
Yeah. No, I'm literally. I don't even think I'm gonna feel it out. I just want to go.
Have you tried doing a burnout in it yet?
I want to go.
He said,
I
I'm
wanna see
gonna feel it.
All right, I'm in.
I'm in.
I mean, I took it down to get the alignment, and I brought it up to like 80 to 100 down that road
How'd it
in
feel?
Mexico, and it was
Yeah.
About
fine.
160, 170 though.
It's only another 60.
Nice way of
Almost.
thinking. I like the way you think.
It's the most ready car I've ever had.
I love it.
We're ready. Early too. What time is it right now?
Well,
It's
we're not
even
totally
that late.
ready. We're close. Like,
But it's. I mean, usually we're
you
like
should go
on the
Brent-
road at like.
we still got a
2 in the morning.
dyno.
Brent did
Get there.
it. Brent did it in the typical fashion.
Who? I did. I tried not to, but we had a problem earlier, so.
Yeah, but look at it now. It's on
We
the
got
trailer,
that.
bro.
Yeah.
But it's done
Dude, and it actually went on the trailer.
Yeah.
on its own.
This,
On its own.
well, no, this car doesn't go on trailers very good with how low it is.
Oh, like it always
Like
hits.
you have to literally have 4 people pick
Well,
up the
because
back
the nose
normally
is
and
so
carry
long
it.
and then-
But
yeah.
it literally just pushed right.
It's the perfect scenario right now.
I know, and it came out so good.
Ugh.
It's already
I'm-
It's breaking the internet every time you take it out.
Every time I talk about it, it costs me $1,000.
Hell, it's coming back to you now.
Everybody says something, I'm like, crap.
Hey, the bully's a dick. We already
It is. It is. They'll see how it's got attitude. It's taken me attitude for years. It ain't stopping now.
Or it
been
just
awesome,
goes
though.
to 7.
Yeah.
Then yeah.
Don't tease
Goals,
me like
man.
that.
Goals. That's a truce. That's a
truce, bro.
All right. Yeah.
It was worth it.
One day it'll go.
Bullying me around.
It's gone 9s in first gear. So
Well, now at least you have a solid setup to like.
Yeah.
You can make that work.
Yeah.
Whatever issues you run into,
Especially with
you'll
this
make
team,
that
this
work.
group, like all of us, yeah, just
What's the number on your thing? Is
731.
That's what it needs to run.
Unit
huh?
731.
731. That's what.
It's been
Called it. I
731.
called it.
I called it. 15 years later.
82 pounds.
You have the nitrous in there?
Yeah, I got the nitrous in there.
Where's your nitrous
You
bottle?
know I got the nitrous.
I've got one of your bottles I gotta grab tonight. I just thought of that.
The other one's here, right? Or
I have
There's
no
another one in
idea.
it. Yeah, it's back there.
There's one in it.
Yeah,
Shane?
don't forget that.
Yeah, we gotta put it back in.
Yeah. Do we want both or just the one? Huh?
You don't ask Brent. He wants
Yeah,
all of
it's
it
all
in
like,
there, bro.
Can we get another?
I just thought about it. I'm like,
Same
oh, the other
way.
bottle's
That's all I know.
You go to drive, man. Everybody has a
But we have the carbon fiber one.
It goes what it goes.
We spent all the money on the carbon fiber.
pounds.
I know.
What do you mean
2,000?
That's why we have the carbon
2,000. With you in
nitrous
it.
bottles.
She's a nice lady.
Well, it weighs more now with the damn bigger motor.
No, it doesn't.
No.
You weighed it already?
We know. We added everything up.
no.
Brent took a
No,
big
this
old
setup is lighter than all the other setups for the most part.
Without the V drive and all that.
Yeah, without the V drive, without the dry sump,
Plates.
without all that stuff.
So easy to work on.
Oh, it is.
What'd you decide on the hood?
I don't know.
That was
I
it.
said screw it.
Just gonna send it how it is.
No hood. No hood gang.
I would just saran wrap it.
This
like
is
you
a
did
bully.
everything else.
Oh, I could just saran wrap the whole front.
That's what I would.
Oh, you should saran wrap mine too.
Because you could go underneath it and just saran wrap the whole thing and be done.
Yeah.
No bugs.
Grinch ain't got no hood, bumper.
We could do that.
He said we could do that. You look
I've got
real
that.
I think mine'll
lazy
be
right
good
now.
though. Mine won't
Dude,
see a
I'm
lot of
so
wind,
dead
bump
right now.
traffic.
This has been a long week.
It hasn't even got started
for
yet.
sure.
Imagine that.
Man, this started off like 2 weeks ago, me saying, yeah, we should leave Thursday night. Brent's like, we don't need to leave that early. And I'm like, I try and tell you guys 2 days early. So we might make it up time. We're actually leaving when I wanted to this time.
I know. You tricked us.
I did.
We've been bamboozled.
You tricked us, bro.
I didn't help push it.
Alright,
Pushing cars?
All right, so let's get out of here. We'll meet back up in
Well,
the morning, guys.
next time you guys see us, we'll be on our way to Florida.
You guys want to put it in for Florida?
Some warmer weather than out here.
Let's get
Florida
it.
trip. Florida trip.
Summertime.
1, 2, 3, break! We're a football team now, you guys.